Alright, so if you're anything like me, then you love all the little, you know, extras that you get with Rolex. And this green caseback sticker is one of those rare kind of anachronistic things that you can get with a neo vintage, classic Rolex. And so here I have my 2005 F serial Submariner, and I bought this pretty recently. And one of the things that attracted me to it was the caseback sticker. Now it wasn't any sort of requirement of mine, and my criteria for choosing this watch was it had to be unpolished, and actually that's pretty much it. I was pretty much looking for an unpolished piece. If I could have found one that still had a holes case, then I would have got that. But this no holes case is growing on me. I do like the holes cases for changing straps. It's easier, but I like the cleanliness of the no holes case. I think it's a classy look. So the big thing was it had to be unpolished, and this was unpolished. This is unpolished, and it will never be polished, as long as I have a say in it. And uh, it's beautiful. I got it, and it's almost very close to new old stock. I mean, it's as close to new old stock as you can get, really. It had a couple of scratches on it here and there, hairline scratches. I mean, nothing significant at all. It was brand spanking new, or as close as you can get to it without paying new old stock prices. And a little bonus, a little cherry on top, was this green case pack sticker. Now, part of me thinks I'm going to regret this in the future because you can't get it back. I mean, maybe you can put the sticker back on it, but it obviously won't be the same. So, I don't know. I mean, from what I've seen on like auction sites or any Rolex really that still has the sticker on it, on a Rolex older than 1990, 1995, and if the watch has been significantly worn, uh, the sticker looks disgusting. It's nasty. It's grimy, and I don't really want to let that happen to the sticker. If I'm gonna preserve it at all, I figure I might as well put it on the papers uh, that I have for the watch. I figure that's as good a place as any for it. But having it still intact on the back of the watch is kind of a problem, in my opinion, because I want to get this watch wet. It's summer right now, and I want to, well, I can't avoid, I'm going to sweat in this watch, and I already have sweat in this watch a lot, and I actually am going to go to the gym in this watch, believe it or not. I have a rubber strap that I like to put it on, and I have no problem wearing it, on the elliptical and stuff like that, like a light cardio workout. I'm not going to wear it in the weight room, although to be honest, I don't see why I would take it off. I mean, I'm already wearing it. So I have no problem wearing this at the gym. The only real reason that I would take it off the metal bracelet at the gym is because I don't really want the flash associated with a solid steel watch at the gym. It's just kind of weird. But the Submariner on a rubber strap, it kind of, if at first glance, it kind of just looks like an Apple Watch, because people are so used to seeing that black rubber strap on Apple Watches. So yeah, you'll get some people who notice that it's not an Apple Watch and it's a mechanical watch, and then fewer of those people will know that it's a Rolex. But in general, it's not going to look weird, and I don't think that I would be putting it through anything that it couldn't handle, you know, on the elliptical. I think it would be totally fine. Anyway, that ramble aside, I don't think that I should leave the sticker on it uh, as I go to the gym, because I think that sweat accumulation and just you know what you know what it's gonna look like after a few months at the gym. So I'm gonna record myself removing this sticker, and I don't know if it's. I mean, I say it like it's something significant, but I don't know if it's been done before on YouTube. This very well may be groundbreaking, but it's just gonna be one of those things that it's just interesting. You can't see it anymore with a new watch because Rolex doesn't make this sticker anymore. And even if they did, they would have you take it off at the AD. So you're going to see it here with me. I might be filibustering a little bit because I'm nervous to take this thing off because I know I'm going to regret it at some point, you know? Every Rolex has a solid steel caseback, you know? But this is a little different, you know? It's special in that way. And it kind of makes this watch special because otherwise it's just a F-Serial Submariner from 2005. It is unpolished, which is, in my mind, very special these days. But, you know, the sticker is a relic of the past, and it's beautiful. Honestly, I don't know if I can get it to catch the light correctly. There it is. When it catches that light, it's awesome. You know, it's really special. But I think it's got to go because what I don't want to happen is I don't want to have my wearing of the watch like this ruin the integrity of the sticker. I would like to preserve the integrity of the sticker. You know, I don't want it to rot away on the underneath my watch and it just slowly falls off and fades away by itself. I'd rather just keep it like this because at one point or another, at some point, I'm gonna have to take it off, whether it's like this or whether it's some grimy, nasty, you know, green slimy thing. So I'm gonna do it now. And anybody who's watching this, let me know. Did I make a mistake? I don't know. But let's do it. Oh boy. Okay. So. Yeah. I didn't think it was going to be easy. Oh, no. Okay, you know what? You know what? I've changed my cocksucking mind. I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing it. I pussied out at the last second. I like it too much. I think it's just too special. I'm sorry. If God wants to, you know, have it rot away on the back of my wrist, fine. But I'm not gonna do it. I mean, how often do you get this? How often do you get this on the back of a Rolex? Never. It's very rare. I mean, it's so special that they mention it on the auction sites listing of this watch. Like if you go to the Sotheby's auction that they do with watches occasionally, you'll see in the description of some watches, you know, stainless steel watch from 1995, excellent condition, still has the caseback sticker on it, you know, so it's worthy enough for Sotheby's and these other auction houses to mention it. So it is special. Now, obviously, those auction houses are mentioning it because they want to maybe squeeze another $200 or $300 out of the sale, or just make it a more appealing item. And honestly, I do think it is a more appealing item if it has the sticker on it. So you know what? Fuck. This was gonna be my moment. you know, I had built up to taking this sticker off, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. I started to right there, as you see. I got my nail under it, and I mean, no, sorry, I did not get my nail under it. My nail wouldn't get in there. It just kind of, I guess the glue, because this watch is from 2005, and I'm filming this in 2021, so that's 16 years, and 16 years of that adhesive, you know, molding to the metal. I think it's on there pretty damn good. So, yeah, I was not able to get any of it off right there, off the edge. And I tried. It wasn't like I wasn't just pussyfooting around. I was trying to get my nail under there, and I couldn't do it. And I think it's going to be one of those situations where part of the back of the sticker gets stuck to the case back. And fuck that. I don't want that. If I am gonna take it off, I would like it to be a nice clean, you know, a nice clean break. But if it's gonna come off in pieces and I'm gonna be ripping it off, no. Fuck that. I'm too nervous. Sorry guys, I'm not the guy. I'm not the guy. I don't have the balls. You know, this is my one. You know, this is my one and done type of watch. I love this watch. And I think it is a little more special for that sticker, so I'm gonna leave it on. Sorry. So I guess this video is kind of pointless. Maybe I won't upload it, but I probably will, just for the banter. Alright, peace out.